Hello and welcome to another tutorial of TechWiki channel. In this video we're going to talk about meta tag in the HTML head. So maybe you see this meta tag here and wonder what are those things here. We're going to start from scratch here. In here HTML, doc type HTML, it says it is HTML5. And in HTML tag language EN, it says the language of this document, this HTML file, is English. And browser see that it's English HTML. And in a head tag, you can use some meta tags here, like titles. Titles is for your title of your web page, like this is TechWiki. If I Control S, you can see this is TechWiki. Another one, meta, name, and this will say to a search engine that this website is for free tutorial, and it is important for search engine optimization or SEO. Another tag is meta. This tells the keyword of this website to a search engine. The another one, meta. This is the author. It says by default the author of this website is TechWiki. Meta, name. This tells a browser if you change the body of your browser, you change to tablet or anything else, the content should be optimized for that device. Another useful meta tag is charset. It's a character set that to use for the standard type of text in HTML5, UTF-8. And another one that we will not use it mostly, but it's something that exists. HTTP, EQB, refresh, and content. Like 8 seconds, and it tells us that this web page will auto refresh in every 5 seconds. Let's see. You can see here it's refreshing every 5 seconds, and if you want to see it more, I can put in here and you can see here it's refreshing every 2 seconds. It is important if you use a website that refresh every second or every minute, you can put 6 seconds here, but that's not obligatory. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you are new, subscribe so you won't miss my future videos.